everyone.
Hello.
Hi.
Way too excited. We are in
Wait, we shouldn't be excited?
We should be excited.
I'm excited.
Oh my gosh.
We're excited.
We've already started. We're here to talk about some changes that are coming, but we wanted to kind of go through how we got to those changes and why they're important to Really Good Emails and Beefree and Beefree SDK. 2 years ago, we sat down in a room and we announced the acquisition of Really Good Emails, and we were gung-ho on what was going to happen with the company and how we're going to merge the two.
So we did it because at Beefree, we've been building email creation tools for a long time, but we wanted to shorten that distance between our products and the community of people that actually use the products. And so we thought that that was a great way to go. And in fact, it was. We're super happy that we did that.
And you know, we've done some really cool stuff.
We've done some really cool stuff.
We've been doing a lot of research on how our community uses Really Good Emails, how they use Beefree, because now there's this overlap. They've been telling us what they like to do, what they want to do with the platform, and that's gone into a lot of research.
We didn't want to just rush to yet another, okay, you give a prompt and you get a draft assisted by AI, which doesn't help in most cases.
Every 5 minutes, it feels like there's a new announcement about a new AI-generated editor, a new email builder, and then people are testing them and they're saying, well, it generates crappy code that doesn't render well, or it's people that don't have any idea about email that's building it.
So we said, okay, wait a second, let's slow down. Let's go back to this vast community of email professionals and they'll tell us what they really need. So 3 things that came out of the research that were really interesting to us. First of all, people said, okay, inspiration is great, but I need to have inspiration that fits kind of my branding guidelines, what I'm trying to achieve. And so not just a gallery of emails, but let me figure out which one of those emails can actually really help me get to the next step. And then second thing is, okay, give me tools that allow me to accelerate, but I want to be confident. If I go faster and then it's something that's going to potentially disrupt or hurt my brand, that's not going to work out. So give me speed, but give me confidence at the same time. And then the third thing that was super interesting, because I wasn't expecting that, is I actually use Really Good Emails, not just for inspiration, but for validation, to show my colleagues and even maybe the people above me why I made a certain decision for a campaign. And so we are taking all of this research and turning it into the next phase of our product.
2 years later, done lots of research, done lots of events. We've reinvested in the community. We've reinvested in the platform. We actually refactored all of Really Good Emails to make this work. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be joining Beefree and Really Good Emails together. And what does that mean? It means that if you are using the web browser application within Beefree, so you're building emails within Beefree, you will now do that in Really Good Emails, and it's going to be known as Really Good Email Studio or RGE Studio.
Nice, I like it. I like that name.
Yeah, RGE Studio. You'll have a builder experience that's actually really similar to Beefree because they have a decade of making builders for some of the best email platforms in the world. We also have some new features coming out, which we're really excited about. AI Copilot, which we talked about having that confidence with you, the creation part of it, making sure you're always in control of what's being created.
We've invested all of the 10 plus years of what Beefree already knew about rendering and that still goes into our SDK today, combined with everything that RGE was doing about what makes an email inspirational, beautiful, high performing. And we've brought together humans and AI together to preserve the best of both worlds so that you can move fast, but with confidence and not lose your soul in the process.
So thanks for coming along for the ride. And where can people find us next?
You can come find us in Chicago. We're going to be at Salesforce Connections at the beginning of June. We'd love your feedback. We'd love for you to try all the AI features and all the other cool stuff we're cracking up because we can't do this without you, right? Your feedback means so much. And without it, we wouldn't be able to do any of this.
Yeah, I'm excited.
I'm excited too.
I'm always excited.
That's true. You are always excited.
Thanks, everybody.
See ya.